Hey there, DIYers and Jeepers out there. Today we're going to change the engine air filter as well as the compartment cabin filter. So let's get to it. So first thing we'll do is go ahead and open up the hood here. Try to do that with one hand. It's always fun. Okay. So this housing has actually got 4 Phillips head screws on them. So let's see if I can do this with my battery operated drill or if I need to get my screwdriver out. So, yep. Okay. And this one here was a little tricky. That one I'm going to need to get the screwdriver because I can't fit my drill down in there far enough. Okay, maybe this will be 2 better here. Yep. Thing is, actually, I could take either, I think it's a 1/4 inch or an 8mm socket, which would maybe do better since they are in there a little snug and just like seems like the screwdriver wants to skip out of the tracks a little more so than normal. I almost got it. Yep. Okay. Oh, I lost it down in there. All right. So now that is undone, so now I'll just kind of wiggle this. Yep, that screw went down, fell down. I'll have to find it. Okay. So now that that's there, we can just lift this up and pull this out. Really doesn't look that bad. It looks fairly clean, which is a good thing. Because I mean, I don't drive through dust and stuff. But, so I got it out. We'll put the fresh one in anyway. I picked these up online. I'll put the link down below. I got the 2, both the cabin filter and the engine air filter, as a package deal, so it's pretty decent. Then you want to inspect in here and see if there's any debris or anything that could get down into your engine, and make sure it's all clean. And then if all looks good, just push this back down in there, and it just fits down there snug like that. And then you can fill the seating around the gasket of the filter itself. Then we go ahead and reapply. Get these screws down in here. Yep, got that tight. Now see if we can find the one we lost down below. Heard it fall. Now the question is, where is it? Here it is. Alright. I think I got it with my fingers. Yep. Oops. I always change the air filter every time I change my oil and rotate my tires every 10,000 miles. But when I bought the oil filter and the oil, so I got them at Walmart. They were out. They didn't have either one of the air filter or the cabin filter. So I just went ahead and ordered them online. So they're just being done just like a week or so later than normal. So now we got that. Now we can go ahead and, since we got the engine open, I always like to just top up off of on the washer fluid. Let's find some washer fluid in here. There's a container open. Don't realize how much you miss washer fluid until you run out, and then you're like, So that's this thing. Whenever I had the engine compartment up, I just always check that and top it off, just so that I know that I'm always good. Smell good. And get this closed up here. Okay. Snap that one in place. Snap that one in place. And now we're on to do the cabin filter. So the cabin filter, if I'm not mistaken, I didn't look at my manual, but I'm just going to guess that it was the same as where the last one was. It's in the glove box. So when you open the glove box, you can see in here this tab. So you'll push it slightly up, and then you'll push that tab up to where then this pulls on down. You can see it comes unsnapped out of the little glider thing that it was in. So now that that is down like that, here is where the cabin filter is. Oh, okay, so it's these little squeezy things right here. Squeeze those and just pull. So got that. So the cabin filter. See how it's like this thing's in the way. There's no real way of removing that. And so what you can do is, because this filter is kind of springy, you have to compress it to get it to come out. And you can see this one's probably, yeah, it is. So that's filthy. So go ahead and throw that one away. Good. Open up this new one here. Yeah. So then, yeah. Okay, so this one actually goes in a long way. So we'll do is have to get this pushed in here and then push that side in, kind of get it to rotate. There we go. Okay, got that in there like that. And then this, so this slides in the tab back there. You can't really see back there. But this slides back there, and then this just snaps on. So, oh, I was trying to put it in wrong. Okay. So yeah, this just slides back there. Slides back in the slot. And then it just pushes in. Yeah, it just snaps in like that. And then you just basically reverse the same thing. And closing this up. So again, you have to make sure. Oh, it's got too much junk here in the glove box. I don't know what that is. Gloves. So now over here on the right, we have this little armature. It goes into this slot here. So as you're closing it up, you just have to line it up and get it so that it'll push in through there. So once you get that lined up in there. Then of course it pushes up to that little tab, and then from there you're good to go. You just close it, and voila, we now have a new fresh air filter, cabin air filter, and engine air filter. And there we have another successful Jeep maintenance. So we've replaced the engine air filter as well as the cabin air filter. And so yeah, if you like this, please comment below if you have any questions, suggestions, whatever. And hit the bell for notifications for upcoming videos. And until the next time,